Hello, myself Pranav Nemade. The topic is construction of small wind power plant. Let's start. The small wind turbine is a wind turbine used for micro generation of small wind, as ranging from less than 1000-watt turbines up to 300 kilowatts turbine. Smaller scale turbine for residential scale use are available. Their blades are usually 1.5 meters to 3.5 meters, that is 4 feet 11 inch to 11 feet 6 inch in diameter, and produce 1 to 10 kilowatts of electricity at their optimal speed. The majority of small wind turbines are traditional horizontal axis wind turbine, but vertical axis wind turbine are growing type of wind turbine in a small wind market. The generators for small wind turbine usually are three-phase alternating current generators, and the trend is to use the induction type. They are options for direct current output for battery charging and power inverters to convert the power back to AC, but at constant frequency for grid connectivity. Small wind turbines can be designed to work at low wind speed, but in general, small wind turbines require a minimum wind speed of 4 meters per second, that is 13 feet per second. This is the classification of small wind turbine. Small horizontal axis wind power plant. Following are the components of horizontal wind turbine. Turbine rotor with blades, electromagnetic brakes, mechanical brakes, gearbox, generator, tailwheel, tower top, shaft, controller, and tower. Blades are made of wood for low capacity, high density glass fiber reinforced plastic of airfoil section. Blades are assembled on hub. Turbine shaft is provided with good quality bearing for easy rotation. Assembly of all components is mounted at the top of tower. All weights are supported by the heighted steel tower well founded in the soil and the foundation. The box housing the main part like hub, brakes, generator, gearbox and the electrical control are accommodated in the closed box cover called as nacelle. For automatic operations, electromagnetic brakes are used. To keep the nacelle facing the wind, yaw control mechanism is provided. Flip tail vane helps in positioning of turbine axis wind with wind direction. Operation of small wind turbine. Blade rotor type assembly gets adjusted wind facing uh, wind power drives the rotor of the turbine. Through gearbox, mechanical energy is received by the generator. Generator converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. The power output matches with the frequency of grid frequency, and power can be fed to the grid system. Construction of vertical axis wind turbine. It is a turbine in which the axis rotation of the rotor is perpendicular to the ground and also perpendicular to the wind direction. Vertical axis wind turbines have an axis of rotation that is vertical, and so unlike the horizontal wind turbines, they can capture wind from any direction without the need to reposition the rotor with the wind direction changes. They do not depend on the direction of the wind. It can operate in low wind situation. It is easier to build and transport. These types of wind turbines are mounted close to the ground and are capable of handling turbulence in far better way as captured with the horizontal axis wind turbine. Because of its less efficiency, it is used only for the private purpose. This is the diagram of vertical axis wind turbine. Let's see the advantages of vertical axis wind turbine. First, it is simple in design and easy to construct and transport. It can be easily installed to desired location. It requires less ground area for its installation. The initial installation cost is very less as compared with that of horizontal axis wind turbine. It can work in turbulent wind conditions. It is omnidirectional and hence do not need to track winds. They are smaller in size and hence can be used for domestic or private purpose easily. They have low maintenance costs as compared with the horizontal axis wind turbine. Let's see the disadvantages of vertical axis wind turbine. First, it is less efficient. The efficiency of the turbine is about 30 to 35%. They are not self-starting. A small powered motor is needed to start it. Guy wires may require to support this turbine. Thank you.